Honey,
Yo, what are
where are
we
we
doing?
going?
We both don't know, but we do know. We're headed out today. We're going to check out some new cities in Michigan, near Detroit, that we have not visited yet. So we figured we'd bring you along with us.
Since we've been in Michigan, we've been pleasantly surprised at how easy and open the driving is here. Oh, and the lush greenery always astounds us.
Okay, so after an incredible, lush highway drive, we ended up getting out into this very rural seeming area. We're talking about like whole parks in front of actual houses. And then we wind through and start to see what seems like neighborhoods that reveals an amazing historic district. And now, well,
Now we're in Milford, Michigan.
okay, so we're already noticing some historical, but with some modern hip vibes that we're loving, right, T?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like this amazing cafe that these ladies are sitting at.
It's called Pettibone, and they have live music.
Yeah.
This is new to us too, being able to have alcoholic beverages outside in certain areas. Where are we going next? From amazing architecture to views and stores to places to relax and water. This was historic Milford, Michigan. Where would you like to go next? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We love to hear from you.